How to find listening habits notifications on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find listening habits notifications settings on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find settings icon here in the top corner. Click on it and then click notifications. Now scroll down, here you will find it listening habits, and here you can manage it. You can disable it or enable it just by one click, and then just go back, it will be saved. And as you see, that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.